Oh,
It's so good.
If you take me, I'll go even to the unknown, and I'll be right here, and I'll meet you there. You won't leave me alone, even in the unknown, and I'll be right here, and I'll meet you there. I've been through the fire, I've been through the storm, seen a lot of love, I've seen a lot of war, took a lot of losses, then I took some more, even through it.
This is my outfit of the day in my new home, and I'm so proud of us. Welcome guys, this is a vlog, my first vlog in my new place, and I'm so proud of me, I'm so proud of us, I'm so proud of the family unit. Our place is bigger, it's got a little garden, my son is aesthetic, and yeah man, we're gonna BRAAI. So let me take you through it. But today I think I've got this top from H&M, and these jeans I got it from Sporting, but I got them like years ago. They're even barely fitting me. If you can see, like one little mistake and then it's gone. But anyway guys, we moved to a new place. If you've been here since 2023, welcome to the journey. It's only gonna get better from here. Stick with me, I'll make you famous.
When we fell in love, we were young and innocent then. Do you remember how it all began? It just seemed like heaven, so I did it. And do you remember? I should be back in the fall. I should be back again all day long. Do you remember us holding hands? Remember each other's eyes we stared. Do you remember the time when we fell in love? Do you remember the time when we remember all the things we said? Like I love you so I'll never let you go. Do you remember? To be back in the spring. To be every morning birds would sing. Do you remember those special times? That just go on in the back of my mind. Oh, I fell in love. You remember the time when we first met, girl. Oh, I fell in love. You remember the time. Those sweet memories will always be dear to me. And girl, no matter what was said, I will never forget what we did. Now, baby, do you remember? When we first met, girl. Oh, I remember my baby. 'Cause I remember all in my mind, girl. Oh, why? Remember my baby. Do you remember, girl? On the phone, you and me. You John, you three. What about us, girl? Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. In the bar, on the beach, you and me, in Spain.
Is it Stacy? Is it Becky? Is it Keisha? Is it Ellie? Was it Danny? Is it Party? Where's the function?
Where the fuck the function? Where the fuck the function? The way I feel right now, I feel like we need to be all alone. So if you just playing around, you need to tell your girl, take a fine ass home, and that's real. Stop teasing me. Stop teasing me. I could change your life so easily. I keep begging you to stay, but you're leaving me. Leaving me. We got sticks in the club illegally. Got the whole 6 side, they believe in me. We got members east of the DVP. We got members west on 401. We got a lock on the game, but there's more to come. You gotta pot that ass till the morning come. You want shots for the girls, they don't order some. Who's calling that? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who? Hey.
Is it Stacy? Is it Becky? Is it
Keisha?
Is it Ashley? Was it
Danny?
Is it
Party?
Where's the function?
Where the fuck the function? Where the fuck the function?
Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake an ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah.
Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma at you like bless me. Did the dance floor get nasty? Impress me.
Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake an ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah.
Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma at you like bless me. Did the dance floor get nasty?
Good morning.
Purple rain, bodies insane. How could you complain? Plus, I know you love my personality. I think I wanna go back to school and have my life full of pictures of you. So give me that A in biology. I'm graduating. Sip champagne, watching purple rain. Bodies insane, how could you complain? Plus I know you love my personality. Think I wanna go back to school and have my life full of pictures of you. So give me that A in biology, I'm graduating soon. That love you give me, making me feel like I'm loving something about that feeling you give me, I keep persisting butterflies. You need a woman holding you down whenever, wherever, however, whatever. I'll be right by your side. See, I just wanna love you, boy, if you don't mind. Just keep this little thing in mind. Keep saying, girls don't listen, all they do is kiss. Girls don't listen, all they do is kiss. Slow jams, don't be eyeing me. I'm making love in between the sheets. Girls don't listen, all they do is this.
You say you need it's all for you. If you gotta have it's all for you. If you make up, it's all for you. If you really want it's all for you. If you say you need it's all for you. If you gotta have it's all for you. If you make up, it's all for you. I see you staring at the corner of my eye. You see the things that want to approach me, throw me a line. But there's something inside you, grabs your sense to my mind. I know exactly 'cause it happens with all the guys. So what you gonna do? Come on and talk to me. I promise you money to love and I do. Unless you sit next to me. That ain't the way to be. Intimidation's got that in mind. You say you need it's all for you. You gotta have it's all for you. It's all for you. Yummy, it's all for you. Yummy, it's all for you. Come on, here it is.
Hi guys, if you reach this part of the video, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna end the video now, but I just want to give you guys an update as to what's been happening thus far. I bought this for mambos, which is in the vlog, but I didn't show it. It's actually quite nice. I don't know how much I paid for it, but because I've got eczema, this is like it's like a face glove, but better because it has this here. So it's like a, I don't know if you know, if you've bought the sec, but not like the sec. But also not like that sponge, that board sponge that you get, the plastic one. It's better than that. So if you see this and you're interested in buying it, please buy it. I think it was like maybe like 50 bucks or something. But we're just gonna do on my face. I just come out of the shower and I just wanted to end the vlog here. I don't want to not speak to you guys before I end it. I'm just gonna put that boost on my face. But before I actually do that, actually I have dry skin now. I'm actually gonna put Vaseline on my face first because over here, I don't know if you can see like this line here because my skin gets so dry that I'm actually bruising it. So I'm gonna put Vaseline as a base. Then put my actual moisturizer on because well, winter is not treating my skin well. I have eczema, but I think that's because of exam stress and weather conditions in Cape. But now I think it's like some parts of my face. So I'm gonna use this Neutrogena Bright Boost. On my face. I'm loving the place at the moment. It's so spacious. It's also so cold. I'm always cold, but I'm so blessed. I mean, not many people can have a partner that works with them. So, all thanks to my man and his partnership. That's how we got here. A lot of sacrifices that have been made for us to get to this point. And we know it's not something big. Like it's something big for us as a couple. So I'm just so happy and grateful, and this place just gives me hope that I can achieve my dreams and I can get actually what I want. And I just need to push with my studies, push with the YouTube channel, just push, and I'll get there eventually. And nothing comes easy. Everything comes through hard work and sacrifice. So if you see me buying something, if you see me celebrating a milestone, everything is planned. Don't believe everything that you see on social media, because me, I plan. I'm a planner financially, I'm a planner. Whatever I do, I plan. Because I have so little time with everything going on, me working, me studying, me having my business. I have to plan. And I'm very, very intentional about planning, especially about money, especially about purchases. I don't want to allude as to I have money and things come easy. No, things don't come easy. We work, we save, we plan. Go back to the dream. We work, save, and plan. That's our thing. But thank you so much for watching and supporting me, guys. This year, there's like 6 in July now. There's like 5 months left. There's gonna be amazing things that are gonna happen at the end of during this time. I just got a feeling that this is just the tip of more celebrations. But thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's D_Lila, the digital diary. We are all about family, fashion, and just living authentically. Bye. Thank you, guys.